voestalpine has been setting new standards in the steelmaking industry for years, worldwide. Continual development and innovative products are very important to us. The substrate of our tailor-made functional steel products is coated with a primer. The conductive structures applied to the primer are protected by a top coat. The conductive structures permit additional functionalities such as heating, operating, monitoring, and measuring. The high conductivity of functional steel products make it possible to heat the material to a defined temperature. Temperature-regulated surfaces can be used to thaw snow cover, heat rooms, and prevent condensation. The conductive structures can be used as control elements and switches. You can switch lights on or off, or operate roller shutters and doors. Conductive structures are used efficiently to monitor loads or deformation in roofs and as burglary monitoring for buildings. The conductive structures in the tailor-made functional steel make it possible to measure temperatures, moistness, or filling levels. The product can be processed as usual without damaging the conductive structures, can be used indoors and outdoors. Please include us in your planning and engineering activities and let us provide new functionality in your next generation of products. We look forward to your input. Together, we will be a decisive step ahead in the future.
voestalpine, one step ahead.